Did you come here for free skates from Instagram? I'm gonna make you watch a video first of me customizing my pair of Panther skates, and then you'll learn about the giveaway at the end of the video. Welcome to another video on Squid's channel. Most of the time I just do sketch or post like previous films that I've worked on. But today I'm going to be doing a little skate setup video. I was gifted a brand new pair of Moxi Skates, specifically Panther Skates. Had a pair of beach bunnies and I've had a pair of jack boots, so I'm really excited to try this kind of like in-between boot that is the same mold as a beach bunny but a different material. I'm going to be changing out most of the stock parts. I'm going to be changing out the laces, I'm going to change out the wheels, and the toe stops. I'm going to be replacing these laces with a pair of laces that I've actually had my eye on for a hot minute. These Criss Cross rainbow fade laces, just like really cool, and I thought they would be a really great color on the black skate. I'm a very colorful person. I really need a lot of color in my life, and so I think these are gonna be great on a black skate. I'm an axle nut and I'm a toe stop nut. The wheels that I'm going to change out to are the new Cosmo Glow Wheels, and I'm going to be putting different bearings in them too, which are the Moxi Mixtape Bearings. Purple on one side and then on the other side. Ooh, they're slippery too, which probably means they're really good, which is the green side. I thought a lot about this. I'm gonna go with the green side because I already have the purple brake pedals, so I want a pop of green to go with the green in the laces too. I'm gonna show you also how to install these like with just your axle because I do not have a bearing press. To use the axle of your skate to install your bearings is actually pretty easy. So with your Cosmo Glow Wheels, you have the wheel and then a spacer inside is going to make it light up. It's not battery operated. You just put the spacer in there, it goes in between your bearings, and then when it's in there, it's like a little generator that makes it light up. So you're going to put your first bearing on the axle, the side that you want it to face out. You put that face down. I'm going to start with the outside of the wheel first. You press that into your wheel. Put your spacer in, because that's got to go in there. You put your next bearing in and press it down. And that's all in there. The wheels are put together. That's great. Now we can move on to the toe stops and put everything on there. I got these brake pedals. They're shaped like little flowers. They're super cute. They come with really cute packaging and a little sticker. I know that you were probably like prejudiced against the Panthers. You're like, oh my god, big whoop, the Panther skate. Who even cares about that skate when you can get a lolly, when you can get a jack boot? No. These skates, really good, really underrated. I thought that they were gonna be like a real butt to break in, especially after I had my beach bunnies. I knew how stiff the beach bunnies are, and all I can say is that these ones seriously do not hurt my feet at all when I'm skating. They're already really comfortable after very minimal break-in time, and I think everybody needs to know they gotta get a pair of these because they're freaking fresh as hell. These skates are customize as much as I can without changing the plate out and everything. But we changed our stock wheels into the Moxi Cosmo Glow Wheels right here. They light up, they're really gummy, which means that they're great for skating outside. I'm really excited to take these out to the beach or to the tennis courts, which I already kind of have a little bit with the Panther Skates. But I'm really excited to take them out like this because they are so cute. The rainbow fade looks amazing, which I knew it would, and I'm just very happy with how these are looking. You can get everything that I have on my skates at moxiskates.com. And if you're interested in giving me a little kickback after watching this video, you know, supporting a skater, I have an affiliate code. It's code SQUID, 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 as in squid knee. You get $5 off. And believe me, there's also so many amazing sales going on moxiskates.com, so you should just check it out anyways. Go check it out. The links are in the description for all of these products. That's it for this video. Let me know what skates I should customize next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Welcome to the end of the video. You did it. Congratulations. Now that you watched me customize my pair of Panthers, I'm sure you want to do the same thing. Now, I partnered with moxiskates.com to do this giveaway, so make sure that you're following both me and Moxi on Instagram, so that's at squidney3_13 and at Moxi Roller Skates. Go to the Instagram and comment and tag a friend. How else can you enter? So you can triple your entries by commenting on this video, and what you're gonna comment is how you would customize your very own Panther skates. I hope to be choosing a winner at the end of, I don't know when. You'll have 1 week. Happy holidays, everybody, and let's get this giveaway going.